Smart factory, cloud, big data, transparency, networking, manufacturing execution. Are you ready for Industry 4.0? INTECIO, we are your partner for intelligent technical solutions. We would like with you together from your company's Smart One factory and accompany you on the way to the Industry 4.0. Starting from the analysis of your current situation, we develop the right solution for your individual requirements with you. We involve existing production systems, processes, and organizational structures here. In the areas of logistics, warehouse management, and maintenance, we support you in the implementation and optimization of SAP, EWM, and EAM modules. For the organization and planning your sites, we introduce the SAP APO and TM modules in your company. In production, we network your machines and control them with the modules MES and MII directly from the ERP. Through the analysis of real-time data, you increase the efficiency and transparency of your resources. For your individual process, we offer you our proven industry-specific INTECIO solutions. We ensure smooth operations and satisfy customers. INTECIO, your partner for intelligent technical integration. Discover more at intecio.com/future.